Okay, guys, good morning to you once again. Today is 28th of February 2025, Friday, Crazy Market Talk with KEL. Today we'll do only one session. That will be the market talk. All right. So hopefully you understand this. The revision session I will do on a separate note. I'll put out a video in the afternoon. All right. Right. Disclaimer apply as usual. Do not understand every time when you're trading the market, there is risk involvement. So highlight to you, please ensure you do risk management. Okay. It's very, very important. Okay, guys, so with that, understand, let's just look at the market right now. Today, market is going to be crazy. I'm very excited. I think certain thing will happen. So take down your notes and study me carefully. I'll tell you some good tips for today. If things happen, buy me some coffee or tea, all right? Okay, first of all, today, the Dow Jones, there is no pivot for today. There's no pivot. Okay, Kong Sherry. Okay. No, there's no pivot today. So this is the second time in a row, right? Yesterday, the day before also got no pivot. So no pivot means what? The opening of the day is going to be very, very important. The opening of the day will be the key indicator of today's direction. So as long as the market stays below OP, the market will sell. Okay, below OP, the market will sell. Yeah, that's very, very important. Yeah. Okay, so if the market sell, where will it go? So you can see that there is no more support anywhere. The next one will be the KCB here. And this number, the number will be 42,900 and, sorry, wrong number, 43,036. Okay, this is the KCB number. It was a bit affected by Vincent. KEL, Dow Jones bottom up. KEL, Dow bottom up roughly where? Meaning what? You're asking me when the Dow will recover, is it? Okay. So the next number to watch out will be here is the MA200. Now this is critical because it's MA200. So if the market do actually touch here, there will be some intermediate support. That means the market may likely rebound over here. Okay, so I must take note, yeah? But of course, if the market pecah, meaning market sell down, whoa, this could be a free flow all the way to 42,511. Okay, so guys, today's number is very important. These numbers are all important. 43036 will be the first KCB. 42976 is the MA200 for today. Then if it breaks below or the market sell down, there is a possibility to see 42,511. Okay, it is actually possible to see that. And if that really happened, oh gosh, that would be disastrous for a lot of people. Because I know there are a lot of people have been long in the market, especially those who are long in the Bitcoin. We'll cover that later. So be careful, yeah? Now, we all know that the boys has been selling since this day. And when the market was basically tuning up, I was more looking to sell because, as I said again, when the KSI is red in color, you can look out for swing trade, which is like KTR +1, +2, +3 on the top to sell it down. And of course, risk management. So if you forgot about this to sell, right, then I'll tell you what to do. Something that I'll share with you later in the afternoon. There's something to prepare for you for the month of March because there's so much things coming in March. So I want you to be part of it, okay? All right, so all clear? If all clear, press number 2 right now. If all clear, press number 2 right now. Oh, what's this? Okay. Oh dear. Okay. I don't know where I lost you guys. I think I accidentally touched the button. Oh gosh. Okay. The S&P 5, the gold, I told you guys that there's a good chance that gold will sell, and we can see that gold most likely will test 2858 in the near term. I think this is possible because you see it failed to stay above the MA30 and it's trading below MLP today. So as long as gold stays below OP, there should be a good sell down to here. All right, I think that will happen 2858 because KSI, KCX are all with you at the moment. Just now, did I lose you guys in the S&P? I'll do a quick one again. Apology just now. I think the sound just went off. The S&P 500, as you can see, has been going down since this day. And when the boys start to sell together, we know that. So when the market basically are selling and it's below MA30 and now today it's below MLP, very good chance the market continue. The S&P may fall to 50, may fall to 58.37 because that is where we can see that now it's also below the MA200. Now below MA200 and below MA30 is a bearish sign in the market. Okay, so take note of that. Yeah, it's important. This one is going to be a very big one. The next number is 5785, and that is pivot 2. So if that Dow Jones do go down to below 43,000, then S&P to go down to here is actually possible. Yeah. Okay, if all clear, press the next number 3 right now, please. Okay, guys, this is Bitcoin. Now, I've been warning guys to be careful of Bitcoin, and I told you the reasons already. One good reason is this guy. There is a reverse diamond strategy here, RDS, okay, reverse diamond strategy. So when the market failed to go higher, the reverse can be very scary, and that is how usually things work. And of course, this is where a lot of people put a stop loss, and it was triggered, right? So if we move back this chart and move it backward, okay, move it back some more, you will notice that now how the market comes down, right? This is the KCB. The day before it closed below it. So that's why now this guy become a target, and now the market has already hit the KCB beautifully. So if this continue, there is a chance to see the next target, which is here, 76,434 on the Bitcoin. But the scary one that I think may actually see will be 69,137. Now, if this really happen, I'm going to tell you 3 things will happen. Number 1, it will break down the NASDAQ. Number 2, it will cause Michael Saylor sleepless night because we all know that he has holding a lot of Bitcoin and he bought a lot of bonds involvement to get Bitcoin moving. It is going to be a disaster for him if this actually happened. And you must understand a lot of people bought Bitcoin somewhere between 90,000 to 108,000 back then. So which means that, right, if you're going to stop loss, it'll be somewhere around here at 80,000 downwards. All right. So this is going to be very crazy. But of course, on the flip side, if you want to buy some Bitcoin, you can consider that. You see now on the downside KCB here, is showing you that the next target is 3,800 level. That means that the market may drop by 3860 plus, 3860 plus 3,800 points to next level. Oh my goodness. So I repeat myself, 76,434 or 69,137. So these 2 numbers, if you really want to buy and hold and buy and keep, then these 2 numbers you can try, but buy small, right? Okay, guys, clear? If all clear, press number 4 right now. Today is going to be a big day. So obviously, if you remember my MAO before, I always say this: if Bitcoin is coming down, it will not be good for stock market because there's so many markets and stocks are all intertwined with Bitcoin and crypto. So when this thing happens, they start to sell, it's a big issue. And of course, the video earnings, although it's good, but you must understand that is not promising. It is not, the forecasts ain't good, the guidance are not good. So which means that now all the repos, all the stock that's below the video or need the video support or basically works with the video, they'll get hit. And when they get hit, there will be a repercussion effect on the retailers who buy the video shares, and then the holding explode. All right. It's very clear right now there is some murmuring going on that the White House is trying to get the market to cut away from stock market to deflate the market inflation and move the funds to US bonds. So that's one thing that I'm hearing in the market. And if this actually happens, Bitcoin is definitely one market that they will love to, hammer it down. Next will be stock market. That's why you saw the NASDAQ coming down so much on last night. Okay, let's do a quick one on NASDAQ before we run the day ends. You can see that the NASDAQ is doing this right now. And I also have warned you guys about NASDAQ. Now, there is a reverse diamond strategy here. So initially, when you buy, you are buying when it's here, right? Okay, you're buying here. So when the market breaks down, you can do the same thing by selling here. And you can see that, oh my goodness. So you can imagine if the market, someone buy here itself, right? Where would it put a stop loss? Definitely here or here. So that's why yesterday the market triggered both stop loss amazingly. So where are we going to go right now? The market is now trading below the pivot 1. So if you look at the chart, the next target that the NASDAQ can go, it could be here, which happened to be bumping the KCB. So the pivot 2 and the KCB are actually aligned. So 20266, the NASDAQ could be heading down by another 300 points today. Okay, guys, all clear? With that, that will be end of my session. I'm so sorry I need to rush a bit today. I'm back to back. My next meeting at 11 o'clock. I need to rush over right now. So guys, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this session. This is Kel signing off. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.